Hey guys, and welcome to my first sort of like doorbell sort of video. It's gonna be a mixture of two songs. And if you'd like instructions to the songs of how to make them, put it down in the comments. I've got a mixture of two songs, and if you want me to finish this song, make the whole song, I'll do so. It's just I don't know whether you want me to do it or not. So this first song is Gravity Falls intro, the whole intro, and this one's Everything Is Awesome, just the first verse. Okay, so I'll be quiet now so you can hear. Okay, bye. So yeah, thanks for watching. Leave in the comment or like or whatever on the video if you'd like me to finish that song off and do any other ones, leave in the comments. So yeah, thanks, bye.